This is another grandma's recipe, stir-fry cabbage with tomato. For best results, we have to use the flatter cabbage from Cameron Highlands, which is more delicate in nature. If this is not available, we can also use the rounder ones, but we have to cook it longer as this type of cabbage is typically tougher. This is one portion of cabbage. Separate the tougher stems from the leaves. Half a tomato and 2 cloves of garlic. We start by sautéing the garlic. When fragrant, after about half a minute, add the tomato. Do not use too much tomato, otherwise the dish will be too tangy and it will not turn out well. Add the stems of the cabbage. When the stem is somewhat tender like this, after about 2 minutes, add the leaves. Add some water as we need to have some liquid to cook the cabbage. Continue to cook until everything is to the texture you like. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. At any time, if it is too dry, add some water a little at a time. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.